Come test drive the 2024 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.